Hello, Chef here. So I've selected this awesome coconut. This is one of the more whiter ones, which are fresher. I'm going to show you how to open the coconut real quickly. First of all, you're going to need two items, and that is a screwdriver, okay, and a hammer. Position the coconut so it won't wiggle around. I'm using some gloves here. These are the eyes, 1, 2, 3. Screwdriver goes in the eye, and you press, and you twist. Screwdriver goes in the second eye, and you press, and you twist. Okay, that's how you get the juice out right there. Very, very simple. Cup, fresh coconut juice. Yeah, look at all the juice. I'm gonna get all the juice out. Now, how to eat the coconut. Place coconut on a log or a concrete block like this. Smash the coconut. Okay. Right there, fresh coconut. Full-length strips, food-safe glue, perfectly flat, perfectly square. Yeah, really, really nice. So stay tuned with me, and I'm gonna be back and show you a few tips here.